Watch. Open up, very,
The head of the Secretary of the State Government, Professor Ikana Mbora, is now holding delicately this torch, a symbol of peace and unity in our country. And now, Mrs. Mbora takes the torch to His Excellency, signifying the receipt of this torch by Rivers State. A very significant moment. We ask all of the athletes, the Secretary to the State Government, and others to join His Excellency. Hold on to this torch of unity. Let's see our hands together on this torch, and we'll take pictures, remembering the day Rivers State became part of history, making this unspoken pledge to unite Nigeria always, one nation that we are, irrespective of culture, tribe, religion, or
25. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Ahmed Tinubu, flagged off the National Sports Festival, and with a mandate to the National Sports Commission to take the torch of unity to the 36 states of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, including Abuja. And so on the 26th, the trail for this trip started. And so this team had been on the road from the North Central, the Northeast, the Northwest, Southeast, and we are currently in the South Side. And we will end the trail at Ibok-Ete, which is in the Southwest, where the festival will hold between the 16th of May to the 30th of May 2025. And so the symbolism of this is one, create awareness for that sports is a unifying factor in our country. Sports also can corporate restiveness, and then we harness the talents of our youth in our country, which can keep them all the time occupied. And then two, we will have to invite the Rivers State government to participate at the National Sports Festival. And so, sir, I want to thank you for your hospitality. We were here yesterday, and it's been all well and done. We appreciate all that you have done. I want to thank the people of Rivers State. God bless Rivers State, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Sports Commission, led here by Mrs. Ikana Mbora, who is also, and the representatives from Rivers State Ministry of Sports and Athletes here present. Ladies and gentlemen, I think on behalf of the government and the sports-loving people of Rivers State, I'm delighted to receive the torch of unity for the 22nd National Sports Festival holding in Ibok-Ete, Ogun State from May 16 to 30th, 2025, aptly themed Gateway Games 2024, inspiring the future. I wish to convey my heartfelt appreciation to the delegation from the Federal Ministry of Sports and National Sports Commission for bringing the torch of unity to Rivers State. This symbolic torch, a beacon of peace, unity, and solidarity, reflects not only our shared aspirations as a nation, but also our enduring commitment to a collective identity fortified through sports. Mrs. Mbora has just told us that the torch has gone through almost 28 states of the Federation. And so if you're lucky to be part of this ceremony, it further reinforces the bond and unity that exists between our people. And I want to believe that anywhere this torch had gone, that it was warmly welcomed. As we are all aware, the National Sports Festival is more than a sporting competition. It stands as a vital platform for promoting national cohesion, fostering youth development, and enhancing our sporting infrastructure. It encourages healthy rivalry, mutual respect, and understanding among athletes and officials from the 36 states and the FCT, creating bonds that transcend ethnic and regional boundaries. Furthermore, the festival serves as a key instrument for discovering and nurturing young talents at the grassroots level, preparing them to represent Nigeria with pride and distinction on global platforms. Since its inception in 1973, some 52 years ago, the National Sports Festival has remained a shining testament to our nation's resolve to unite in diversity, leveraging the universal language of sports to build bridges of harmony and shared progress. Let me assure you that Rivers State is not only prepared to participate, but is also determined to showcase a new generation of athletes poised to achieve excellence and set new records at the forthcoming festival. To our gallant athletes, I urge you to give your very best in the competition, compete with discipline, determination, and the true spirit of sportsmanship. You carry the hopes of our people and the pride of Rivers State on your shoulders. Be assured that the state government will duly recognize and sufficiently reward any athlete who wins a medal at the festival. Your effort and resilience and achievements will not go unnoticed. As the Torch of Unity proceeds further to Yenagoa, Bayelsa State, we extend our warmest wishes and pray for journey mercies for the entire team. Thank you, and may the spirit of unity and excellence continue to inspire and guide us all. God bless.